So last time we've already changed scene to the house. So I'm gonna add the house intersect. So let's get started. We open the house word. So I'm gonna add the load. Oh wait, load interact collision. Copy and then create method here. So I'm gonna just copy in here interact house, copy and then paste here. Oh, I think I'm gonna add method first. Load uh, door interact collision. Just copy and then I'm gonna copy this again and then paste here. So I'm gonna check the tile for the house. It is the door. So when it's pins to the door and add to the interact block, I'm gonna add this to static on string house door to form and then this house door to form. This is house door to form. And then, yep, I think that's enough. Intersect here. And then we need to add the player sprite. So we need add guest, interact name, host to door form. So game preferred is host. And then game switch scene to the form. Yep, I think that's enough. We're gonna check break and then we need to run again. So let's go move to the house and then go to the bottom because it's here. Yep, just go to the form again. Let's go add and then let's go down. Okay, the next is I'm gonna change the position and then the direction for a bit more realistic. So let's get to it. I'm gonna stop this. So I'm gonna create a function in here. Function is player position after enter house. So I'm gonna check if game is uh ref float, not no, and game ref float is equals to hometown or farm, and then the player direction is direction player direction to up, and then player position change to factor 2, because this is the 50 by 50. I think this is 60 by 70, 700, I mean 600 by 700. So let's get enter the house. So I'm gonna copy after load character. I'm gonna call that function. So let's run again. You can see this is much offset. So I'm gonna add the 50, and then I'm gonna down to 50. So here you can reload again. I think this is too much. Yep. And then I'm gonna change to 40, and then I'm gonna add to, yep, I think this is good. And then I'm gonna change the uh, collision goes to, oops, I'm gonna remove that, and then I'm gonna create again. This is more, go bottom and then save. Let's go the reload. So I'm gonna go to the bottom more. Oops. Yeah, I think this is more realistic. So I'm gonna just remove the debug mode and this player. I'm gonna remove pause. Yep. When enter the farm again, I'm gonna change to, so after player in the farm world, I'm gonna create the method after player enter farm. I'm gonna copy and then paste after character. So if the game dot ref, not null, oops, and then ref root is equal to house, and then the player position will change to vector. I think the best to implement is I'm gonna change the x x position, and then I'm gonna minus equals 50. So let's go check. I'm gonna minus 200. Yep, I think this is 230, and then the x position. I think I'm gonna add for I'm gonna minus 430. So let's go check. I think this is much better. I think this is 35. I think 25, and this is 35. So let's go check. Yep. I need more up. So I'm gonna add this 42. Yep. I think this is more a bit realistic. So yeah. The next is I'm gonna add the environments like tree. So and then the animation for tiling, and then drop, and then watering. So I'm gonna implement this animation. So see you in the next video.